Hi children, welcome to math class. In previous class we have completed exercise 10.1. Now in this class we are going to solve some problems in exercise 10.2. All of you open page number 225 and observe the first one in exercise 10.2. A closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meters and radius of the base is 56 cm is made up of a thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? Express in square meters. Children, here some measurements of a cylindrical tank given to us. They are: height is 1.4 meters and radius of the base is 56 centimeter. And this tank is made up of a thick metal sheet. So we have to find how much of metal sheet is required for making such type of cylindrical tank. Okay. So we have to express the answer in square meters also. Okay. So observe the solution here. So cylindrical tank, this is the cylindrical tank, and this cylindrical tank is a closed cylindrical tank. So for finding the metal sheet required for making this cylinder, we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area means curved surface area plus this is a, because of this is a closed cylindrical tank, we have to find the sheet required for closing the top and bottom of this tank also. So that's why ultimately we have to find the TSA of the cylinder. It gives the area of metal sheet required for making the cylinder. Okay, so given radius is 56 centimeters, so we have to convert this in meters. That's why R equal to 56 by 100, that is 0.56 meters. So convert the 56 centimeters in meters, so it gives the result 0.56 meters. And height of the tank is 14 meters. That's why for finding the area of metal sheet required, we have to find the TSA of the tank. So TSA of the tank, because this is in cylindrical shape, that's why TSA, total surface area of cylinder, is 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7, r is 0.56, we have already found this, and r plus h, that is 0.56 plus 1.4. Substitute the values in the respective formula. So that is 2 into, so 7 get cancelled 0.56 in 0.08 times, and 0.56 plus 1.4 is 1.96. And if you simplify this, the answer will be, so multiply these values and you will get 6.8992 meters square, and if you round off this value, it will be 6.90 meters square. So that's why area of the sheet required is 6.90 meters square. Okay children, to make such type of cylinder we need 6.90 meter square metal sheet. Okay, so this is the solution for the first one. Now coming to the second problem, the volume of a cylinder is 308 cm cube. If its height is 8 cm, find the lateral surface area and total surface area. Okay children, according to this problem, volume of a cylinder is given to us and its height also given. By using these two values, we have to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, observe the solution here. Given that volume of the cylinder is 308 cm cube, so volume of the cylinder is formula pi r square h, that's why pi r square h equal to 308. And also here height of the cylinder is given, that is height of the cylinder is 8 cm. Okay, now substitute height value in this formula pi r square h, that is pi means 22 by 7, r means we don't know the r value, that's why write r square as it is, and h is 8 cm. Okay, given that height of the cylinder h is 8 cm, so look at here, that's why substitute 8 in the place of h is 308. Now transpose the values other than r square. R square equal to 308 into, if you transpose 22 by 7, it will be 7 by 22, and similarly it will be 8 will be 1 by 8. 22 get cancelled 308 in 14 times, that is 14 into 7 by 8. Okay, and if you simplify these values also, you will get r square equal to 12.25. So transpose square also, then r will be square root of 12.25, and if you calculate root value, r will be 3.5 cm. Children, you know how to calculate root value and how to simplify these values. So that's why, so simplify this and finally calculate the root value also. So you will get r equal to 3.5 for the square root of 12.25. Okay, so finally we got the r value. By using this you can easily calculate the TSA and LSA. Now lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now substitute 2 as it is. Pi means 22 by 7. We found that r equal to 3.5 and h is 8. And if you simplify this, the answer will be 176 cm square. And the total surface area. So total surface area formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 write 2. Pi means 22 by 7. R is 3.5. And r plus h means 3.5 plus 8. That is 2 into, write the 22 by 7 as it is, 22 by 7, 3.5 as it is, 3.5 plus 8 is 11.5. And if you simplify this, 2 into 3.5, 7, that is 7 get cancelled here, that is 22 into 11.5. So the answer will be 253 cm square. Okay children, this is the solution for the second one.